and I think Amorim, even against Everton, that first half against Everton, that's one of the worst performances I've seen of any Manchester United side in many, many years. And look, I've got to put my hands up as well, because I've given Arsenal and Mikel Arteta some strong criticism in the last few weeks, because I called their attack, I think blunt was too kind a word, but they were really poor in attack. They created very, very little, and that's maybe to be expected with Wanyeri up there and Marino as centre forward, Trossard. It's a mid-table attack, isn't it? It's not a very good attack.